Hi, Jan.
No. I fell down again.
Hey, wait a minute.
I forgot to close the door to the basement, and Zach had a bad fall.
Sure, you all say the same thing. The kid fell down the steps. Don't you have anything better to say than that?
It's true.
You hit the kid, I hit you. You're not worth it. I'm pressing charges against you. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have hit the man, especially in front of the children. It was a mistake. Sorry.
Will you tell me something? Don't lie. What did it feel like to hit that son of a bitch?
Felt great.